Hey there! Financial Frontier here to chart your path to financial freedom, and today we are going to discuss how you can sell anything according to Jordan Peterson. This can be a daunting task, but with the right approach and mindset, it's entirely possible. In this video, we'll be sharing insights from Dr. Jordan Peterson, a clinical psychologist and professor of psychology at the University of Toronto. Dr. Peterson is an expert in human behavior, and he has studied what motivates people to make decisions. So, let's dive into his advice on how to sell anything to anyone. Up first, it's essential to establish credibility. To sell anything to anyone, you need to convince them that you know what you're talking about. You need to earn their trust and respect. One way to do this is by demonstrating your expertise. Talk about your experience and credentials, and show how they relate to the product or service you're selling. This will help build confidence in you and what you're selling. The next step in selling anything to anyone is to understand your customer. You need to know their needs, wants, and desires. This requires active listening and asking the right questions. Dr. Peterson recommends approaching the conversation as if you're trying to solve a problem for the customer. Don't just talk about your product or service. Instead, focus on how it can help the customer achieve their goals. Once you understand your customer's needs, you need to create value. Dr. Peterson believes that the key to creating value is to show how your product or service can solve a problem for the customer. When you present your solution, focus on the benefits, not just the features. Explain how your product or service can improve the customer's life, save them time or money, or make their job easier. To sell anything to anyone, you need to establish trust. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust, so it's essential to build a rapport with your customer. Dr. Peterson recommends being honest and transparent. If you make a mistake, own up to it and apologize. Don't try to hide anything from the customer, as this can damage the relationship. No matter how good your product or service is, there will always be objections. It's important to address these objections head-on and offer solutions. Dr. Peterson recommends listening carefully to the objection and then reframing it in a positive light. For example, if a customer says your product is too expensive, you could say, "I understand your concern about the price, but our product is of the highest quality, and it's worth the investment." In the words of Dr. Peterson himself, if you're going to convince someone of something, you have to find out what it is that they want, and you have to listen to them carefully, and you have to put together the package that meets their needs, and then you have to present it in a way that's credible and honest. This quote perfectly summarizes the key principles of selling anything to anyone. Conclusion. In conclusion, selling anything to anyone requires a combination of expertise, understanding, and communication. You need to establish credibility, understand your customer, create value, establish trust, and address objections. By following these principles, you can increase your chances of selling anything to anyone. Remember, it's not just about the product or service you're selling. It's about the relationship you build with the customer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll do our best to respond. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for